Today we're looking at the Brother P-Touch E550 handheld electrical label printer and the benefits of electrical labeling. As you might know, every electrician has to label by law, and of course you can label anything, whether you're an electrician, a plumber, a heating engineer, into datacom, telecom or security equipment. Use the PT E550 to ensure cabling, switches and sockets are clearly identified with long-lasting, durable labels up to 24mm wide. There's an extensive range of tapes in various colours and sizes, but Brother has introduced the Pro tape range for specific industrial labelling tasks, including strong adhesive tapes for textured surfaces, as well as flexible ID wraps and heat shrink tubes to identify wires and cables. These Pro tapes have been developed to withstand extreme temperatures and are resistant to chemicals, abrasion, sunlight, water, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Smart Label keys allow you to quickly access industry-relevant templates such as cable wrap, cable flag, faceplates, fuse boxes, patch panels and many more. There are 384 built-in symbols to choose from, and you can also get a free mobile cable tool app for Apple and Android, which has even more pre-populated wiring regulations, templates, as well as the facility to customize your own. Your company logo, for example. Data can be simply transferred via USB or Wi-Fi. Choosing Brother's electrical label printers and tapes will help you comply with wiring regulations, exceed your customers' expectations, and leave the mark of a professional.